Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FBS app. We click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps and app settings. In this window here, you will search about FBS and you will click here in this window. Then in this page, you will click on Forcestop and you will click OK. Here in this window, you will click on Storage. Then we click on Clear Cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.